Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. And what you see right here is a parabolic pump for Chainlink. We were at the lows in September, around $5. Everybody was going crazy about Chainlink, and from there we pumped almost straight up, and now we're currently at around $14. What happens next? Well, let's look at charts. But let's start off this day trading analysis as we usually do with Bitcoin. As you can see, we've been conforming to this market maker structure. We create a double bottom formation, first leg up, second leg up, third and final leg up. That is where we're currently at. We are waiting for a double top formation of some kind, and that is what's next. And from there we'll have a reversal to the downside for a longer time, because we'll be going almost straight up from the lows of 15k. And yeah, that's what we're waiting for. And the last volume candle is right here, all the way up to 40k. So from 36.7k up to 40k is where the volume candle resides, which we haven't recovered yet. So I do think we'll have one last scam pump to the upside. We'll consolidate for a while, have a drop, have another pump, and then we'll drop straight down to the volume candles which we have created to the downside when we moved to these zones. So the close one to the downside is all the way down to 30k, and we have them all the way down to basically 17.4k. Big volume candles which hasn't been recovered. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens next for Bitcoin, but we are waiting for double top formation before we make up our mind and favor prices to the downside. But until then, I'm still expecting that we tap into this zone from 37k to 40k. And yeah, and not financial wise, you make of this what you want. So today we had basically Jerome Powell speaking. I didn't watch that unfortunately, but the market didn't move, so possibly he just said what he's been saying for the last year. Other than that, we have the unemployment claims tomorrow. Could shock the market if it's a crazy number, but I don't think it will. And on Friday we have the consumer sentiment. And it's not going to shock the market, but you will see some kind of market reaction from the consumers if inflation has hit them hard or not. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see a lot of money is stacked around 34.7k. Big cluster here, so I do think we'll tap into that zone pretty quickly, because a lot of people have been going long in the zone. Other than that, you can see clearly that more money is residing to the downside, all the way down to 24k. Then it is to the upside, almost nothing, all the way up to 39k. So yeah, make of this what you want. None of this is financial advice, but now let's take a look at Chainlink is at around $14. Who would have thought just a couple of months ago? Everybody said that this coin was dead. We were in this accumulation zone from almost $8.5 to $6. We were in that for over a year. We finally broke above it, and we've been holding above it for a while. We haven't retested this zone yet, which we will do. So yeah, if you're thinking about going long on Chainlink, just wait, because we will tap into these zones sooner rather than later, maybe. But until then, yeah, as you can see, we create somewhat of a double bottom formation. We have our first leg up, first retrace. I would say we're still in a second leg up before we have another pump to the upside. We'll possibly tap into this volume candle right here at $11.6, and then next target is at least to $16.6. We could go all the way to 20, have a double top formation, and then we'll reverse to the downside again. But until then, still a lot of room to the upside for Chainlink. We have these two volume candles to the upside. First one is here at $16.8, so that could be your next target if you're trading Chainlink. and the target after that is at around $20. After that we're all the way up to $32 and $40, but that's a long way to go. Until then, yeah, trade safely, have a good one, Big Boss out.